My portfolio explores a wide range of topics that together tell the story of how I have learned and grown as a student, both academically and through my extracurricular experiences. When I first began assembling the pieces for this portfolio, I wanted it to be more than just a collection of assignments. Instead, I hoped it would reflect the progression of my skills, the challenges I've faced, and the insights I've gained over time. Each section highlights a different aspect of my development, whether it be writing, problem solving, creativity, or collaboration, and showcases how my work has evolved as I've moved through various classes and activities. By including a mixture of statistical papers, project reflections, and examples of extracurricular involvement, my portfolio gives a broader and more complete picture of my growth as a learner. Design played a significant role in shaping how I presented the story. I initially used lines, spacing, and carefully chosen color schemes to make the portfolio visually appealing, to guide the viewer's eyes through the content in a logical way. I wanted the design to feel clean and professional, yet still personal enough to represent my style. These design elements weren't included just for decoration, they helped highlight key sections and ensure that the viewers could easily understand the structure of the site. Throughout the process, I experimented with different layouts and palettes, learning how small visual choices could impact how someone interacts with the material. This design work gave me deeper understanding of how presentation influences communication, something that will definitely be useful in future projects. Peer feedback played a major part in improving the portfolio. When I shared early drafts with my classmates, they pointed out areas where the website wasn't as accessible or clear as I thought it was. At first, I was surprised to learn that some sections were difficult to navigate because I assumed the layout made sense, but it only really made sense to me. However, seeing how others interacted with the site helped me recognize issues that I overlooked. Many of the improvements I made were centered around the menu structure, which was originally confusing and didn't direct the viewers efficiently to the different parts of my portfolio. By reorganizing the menu and simplifying the navigation, I made the site far more user-friendly. Working with my peers was also extremely valuable because it helped deepen my understanding of the assignment themselves. Discussing ideas with others, listening to their interpretations, it allowed me to see the task from different perspectives. Their suggestions often sparked new ideas for how I could approach my projects, both creatively and academically. Collaboration also made the workload feel a lot more manageable. Talking through challenges with others helped break down tasks that initially seemed overwhelming. Overall, the process of creating this portfolio, designing it, revising it based on feedback, and thinking critically about my own growth has been a meaningful experience. It reflects not just the work I have completed, but also the skills I have developed and the lessons I have learned along the way.